Imagine drag and drop templates that instantly make your YouTube content look polished and professional. With CreateStudio YouTube Creator Kit, you can elevate your videos in seconds. Let's take a quick look at the stunning animations you can create with this kit. Exciting, right? If you want to boost your YouTube channel instantly without hiring animators or spending hours to create these animations from scratch, click the link below to get CreateStudio now and start leveraging on the YouTube Creator Kit today. In my next email, we'll explore how to create your own 3D avatar emoji that looks like you to personalize your content. It's going to be a fun one. As always, happy creating, and I'll see you in the next one.